Hey everyone, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Keep repeating the hair steps for a few more times like this. Repeat these steps and at the end we will take all the hairs and make the plaits on it like this. Make the plaits very carefully as we are making it. At the end tie it using the rubber band and then fold it upward like this. Fix it to make a bun. Fold it carefully as we are folding it and then put the hair on the sides using the hairpins and it's ready. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts, divide it from the between and then rotate it. So we will fold it upward and then rotate it inside the hairs like this. Now tie the hairs again from the downside and then rotate it and fix it on the top by folding it like this. Fix the hairs on the bottom section using the rubber bands and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now fix the small section of the hairs by folding it upward like this one by one. Join the hairs carefully. Make the plaits as shown in the video till the end. Now after that we will fold it upward like this and fix it. Fold the hairs, pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit like this and then fold it and fix it on the top using the hairpins. Fix it carefully as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the sides and then tie all the hairs by keeping few sections in the front and make the plaits on it like this. Take it till the end and then fold it upward and make a bun out of it. Tie it using the rubber bands at the end as shown in the video. Now fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Tie it like this on the top and put the hair bun pins to fix it. Now take small section of the hairs which we kept aside and tie it and then roll it and fix it over the bun like this. Put the hairpins to fix it and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs from the sides, keep it aside or just take it to the back and tie it like this. Now rotate. Now after that tie all the hairs and then divide it from the between and then rotate it like this. Fold it upwards and fix it using the bun pins. Now take the hairs which we kept aside in the front, divide them and make the plaits on it like this. After that fold it around the bun and fix it using the hair bun pins like this around it. Pull out the hairs from the sides and put the bun pin to fix the hairs. And your hairstyle is almost ready. Watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing the hairs, how we tie it and then fix it like this around the bun. Fold it and make a flower like this. Fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and tie it in the shape of a knot like this. Fix it using the rubber bands at the end. Now again repeat the process, this time tie it on the left side like this. Now again take the hairs and fix them on the middle like this as shown in the video. Fix it using the rubber band, roll it like this and fix it like this. Now again repeat the process for a few more times. Make these zigzag patterns, some in right and one in left like this. Now fix it till the end as shown in the video and tie all the hairs in the same manner. Now at the end we will put the beautiful hair clips over it to fix it tightly. Now at the end make the plaits on it like this. After making the plaits we will fold it upward and fix it as shown in the video. Fold it carefully using rubber bands, pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit like this and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.